Students sometimes struggle to manage their money due to the high cost of school and growing living expenditures. Working part-time is one of the simplest options. However, most employment demands you be physically present at the workplace, leaving little room to complete your education. However, there are a few occupations that enable students to make money online. Hello all you geniuses! Welcome to the channel. I know you're here for the same reason I was in college, looking for ways to make money. Worry not. We have gathered a list of the finest online jobs for students searching for part-time work to supplement their income. These work-from-home options for students pay well and help you learn more. Let's get started. Number 6. Work as a freelancer. Without a doubt, freelancing is the finest option for students to gain money. When it comes to generating money online, freelancing is the first thing that springs to mind. I also have a list of some freelancing opportunities for you to consider. First, programming. You don't have to be a programming genius to earn money online as a student. You can code and build programs to assist you in creating applications. You may later monetize them based on the number of downloads. Web development. You may study JavaScript, PHP, and other languages to create websites from the ground up. Again, there is a high need for website developers. Design. If you are skilled at creating logos or blog designs, you will have a lot of people approaching you. Data entry. Another popular way for individuals to generate money online is via data entry. I'll go into more detail about this later in the same piece. Although you may start generating money from freelancing using sites like Fiverr or Upwork, we highly advise developing a blog and building a good portfolio for your chosen talents to attract customers who pay you well. Just be sure to concentrate on gaining your first client and providing him with high-quality products. You'll get a couple more gigs from the same client if you provide excellent service. As a result, you'll be able to earn money as a college student without having to spend a lot of time acquiring new customers. Number 5. Jobs for virtual assistants. Many virtual assistant positions do not need secretarial or administrative skills. College students may utilize their organizing and communication abilities gained while studying to work as virtual assistants for individuals and companies. They may help with data input, social media management, research, website upkeep, and other tasks. Payments may vary depending on the activities or services performed, the number of hours worked, and other considerations. You may work with one or more clients around your availability. Here are some excellent resources for finding virtual assistant employment for students. Number 4. Become a translator. If you are already multilingual or are learning a second language or more languages, you may utilize your language talents to make additional money. Many businesses, such as 1-800-TRANSLATE or World Lingo, need assistance translating different sorts of documents, academic reports, audio files, and other materials into other languages. If you are proficient in one of these in-demand languages, you may supplement your income by offering translation services in your spare time. Joining translation companies or freelancing sites might help you get translation tasks. Depending on your skill level, you may select various translation jobs. Number 3. Selling items on online marketplaces. Students may sell objects they develop themselves and their old and unwanted items on eBay or other online marketplaces. You may even purchase bulk from another provider at a lower price and resell it at a higher price. You may supplement your income by selling your unwanted items online. Some markets allow you to trade just certain commodities, but others will allow you to offer a broad range of old and unused stuff, including your goods, used clothing, textbooks, new gift cards, obsolete CDs and DVDs, and a variety of other commodities available online. Sell on internet marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, and Facebook, or make your thrift store Instagram page. The solution is you have a golden opportunity of going viral if you keep posting on social media sites. All you need is a little patience, and you will start earning good. Number 2. Work as a part-time content creative writer. Are you an excellent writer, or do you have writing talents in any subject? If so, article writing is for you, since you may quickly locate customers and generate money every day. Many bloggers are looking for content writers, so all you have to do is join a few blogger forums and look for content writing assignments. You may also create a blog providing writing services to attract additional people interested in your work. The amount of money you generate from article writing is directly proportional to your branding and writing abilities. The greater your writing portfolio, the higher your salary from clients. Start a blog if feasible to attract more people to read and share your content. Also include your writing talents on the portfolio page to promote your writing services. You will attract many quality customers if you provide great material on your blogs. You can also look for freelance article writing employment on sites like Upwork, People Per Hour, and others. Number 1. Get paid to complete surveys. You may start earning money immediately by doing surveys. Consider a service like swagbucks.com, which pays you to do surveys, purchase online, and so on. Swagbucks pays you in cash or Amazon gift cards through PayPal. It rewards you with gift cards as soon as you deposit at least $3 into your account. Similarly, there are other websites where you may do paid surveys. Understand that most paid surveys you discover online are primarily spam websites where you won't get paid even after completing your job, so be careful to research the sites that provide paid surveys. As a student, you may also generate money by transcribing. Transcribing is just listening to audio or video and converting it into text. You may earn a lot of money every day if you are excellent at typing and have basic listening English abilities. Furthermore, these tasks are simple and you do not need any previous experience to profit from this service. That is it for this video today. I hope you liked all the ideas. Try some ideas this weekend and let us know which ideas work best for you. Until then, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon for the latest updates.